Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting that notification bell next to the red subscribe button. And these are bi-monthly readings for the next 15 days of September. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So in that case, you can check your moon sign and your name sign. And if and you can also even take it as a reading of the situation you are dealing with. Okay, so let's see what's there for Geminis. Okay, we have the Ten of Cups. It's the Queen of Wands. Okay, Three of Cups. The Two of Swords. What's happening here? Two of Swords, Five of Swords. The Queen of Cups. The Ace of Pentacles. The Eight of Cups. And the Two of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Okay, the Ace of Diamonds. Guidance from the angels. Okay. Okay, so Geminis, you are pretty happy and in a pretty good position. Stable, happy, emotionally fulfilled, celebrating your happiness with your friends and family. So you are sitting pretty cool, basically. That's what I'm getting. You are sitting pretty cool. You have cool and content, basically. Content is the right word. That's what I'm getting. You are sitting pretty content in your life. You are satisfied with your life, basically, as for now, or that is what I'm getting. But what is here is that there is something which is happening, which can be a dispute or a fight or an argument with someone, or maybe this person doesn't agree to you in some way, shape or form. There is some sort of an argument which is coming in, and this is causing you to close off. Okay, so you're taking your time, you're stop talking sort of a thing. So there's a fight after which you are uh, taking your time, you're not communicating, you have become very introvert sort of over here, and you are trying to spend time alone because maybe you are trying to contemplate on this issue, whatever this issue was, why it happened and all that, trying to find the solution for this situation. Yeah, you are you are trying to solve this situation in a peaceful way, basically. That's what I'm getting. You, though this fight has happened, but you are taking your time and you're trying to find a solution to it in a peaceful way or in a loving way, whatever it is. You don't want to sort of carry this emotional burden or this fight which has caused this emotional trauma any further, and that is what you are thinking of as to how to solve it in a amicable way, in a loving way, in a sort of without fighting any further. You don't want to fight any further. Okay, you don't want to prolong it, you want to solve it in a gentle way, and that is a very wise thing to do, and you are thinking of a way to do that. And once you are able to do that, you are able to move in a totally new direction, in a new beginning which is stable. Okay, so there is some sort of a new beginning which is coming in. Once you are able to solve this situation, there is some sort of a new beginning or a new opportunity which is coming in, and I think this new beginning may, you may take some time to decide in which direction to go or what to do, how to go about with this new beginning. But I think this new beginning is going to heal you also, and it will, this stability is something which is, it can be something different than you usually do. Maybe this new opportunity makes you change your direction or change your way, change your approach, or do something different. Maybe you're planning to do something different than what you usually do, and it requires some time to make that decision. Perhaps it can be that also, because it's like, okay, now I need to do this, so I'm going towards that. It's something, and walk, and you are going like sort of leaving what you have already made or you have stabilized, and then moving towards some a different project or something like that. Okay, this is what I've already done, and now I need to move in this direction to achieve it. And you are taking that time. Let me see what else is there. Okay, we have the Three of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Okay, so yeah, that's what, maybe this new beginning requires you to change something, or so you're definitely trying to achieve it. Maybe there is some sort of indecision over here, and maybe it will take some time perhaps. So maybe this is the time of weighing the pros and cons, how to execute it, how to do it, something like that, how to move in this direction. And you are taking that time, waiting for the right time, waiting for the right opportunity. And here with the Ten of Pentacles and with the King of Wands, you will be able to achieve this stability. If you will be able to achieve this stability, yeah. And here with the Ace of Diamonds, definitely things are changing for the better. It is the Wheel of Fortune, things are changing for the better. Things with it. And here with the Ace of Pentacles, definitely you will get your ball rolling. You will achieve this. It obviously, it is something new. Definitely it is something new. So it will take some time. There will be many decisions which need to be made, some contemplations, pros and cons, benefits and disadvantages sort of. But you will execute it wisely. That's what I feel. But maybe some of you are even making a journey because of this. Maybe you need to change your place, maybe you need to change your office, something like that. It can be that also, or it is just, but you are changing your direction. Okay, now this is what I'm supposed to do, and I'll do it. Maybe it is something new, you're trying your hand at something new. It can be that also. But you are achieving stability and authority in this situation by the end. This new beginning, whatever it is, whatever time it takes, whatever indecisions are there, whatever happens, but it will give you a stability and authority also. It will seat you in a pretty good position basically, even better than before, at least like that. Somehow suddenly I got a vibe over here. You're the Queen of Wands, and here with the King of Wands. Is it a couple? It can be a relationship for some of you, and you are working towards this stability of commitment. It can be that also, because here we had the Queen of Cups also, King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Is it a couple? Maybe some of you. It will be different for different people, but I am not making these readings purely romantic, because they are I am doing separately in you and your person reading for that, but still they can have a relationship thing also with them. It's not like that, but I'm trying to make them general so that they can help those also who are not in a relationship. Okay, number 21 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Successful completion. It is a time of incredible accomplishment. You are justified in feeling joy, a sense of completion and pride in the amazing job you've done. You've been blessed with many spiritual insights. Soon you will begin a new journey, but for now, take time to bask in the happiness of your dreams coming true. What did I say? What did I say? That's what I was saying. This is all what is happening. You will achieve this completion. So beautiful, Geminis. I just hope it helps, and meet you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.